Over the next few moments, I'm going to talk with you about how installing new drywall at your home or business can greatly improve the look and value of your home. Let's face it, cracked, broken, and deteriorating walls make nearly any home or business look run down and can really diminish the overall value of your home. Well, we can help. We're proud to be the premier local drywall installer, and we can install drywall in your current home or even on a new build. Our drywall installers have years of experience and use only the best methods when installing or replacing drywall. So contact us now to schedule a free, no-obligation consultation and find out why so many local clients come to us for all of their drywall installation needs.